Welcome to
Vlogmas. 12 days.
And
12
today
days.
we're getting ready for Christmas. I'm so excited because we went shopping. Peppa Pig. I want Peppa Pig.
That's so cute. Let me see.
I want Peppa Pig.
Ooh.
Hi, Vloggy. Today is Christmas.
No, Christmas shopping.
I know.
Oh, okay. You getting ready?
Yeah, today is Christmas shopping, and look what I found. Jingle bells,
Sing it, girl.
jingle all the way.
This is the one you had last time.
I want the unicorn one.
You have that at home already.
I want that unicorn one. What in the world are you doing?
Bumblebee.
I want to get this one, Mom.
That's cool.
I want to get that one.
You like that one?
No. Look at this ornament, Mom. It's a baby bottle.
Oh, how cute. Let me see. Baby's first Christmas.
We should get this for Eli to check out. Sisters.
That's so
Mommy's
cute.
gonna have a baby sister for me. I want a baby sister, so she's gonna have a baby sister for me. Man, look, this looks so pretty, Mom.
Trying to look for something Barbara.
Hello, mister. Hello. Look at this candy cane. It's so sparkly.
Let me see yours. Ooh.
So pretty. I'm going to get this.
I'm trying to decide whether we should go white or silver.
Silver.
Where that
silver.
mirrored chest is in the house.
Silver.
I really
silver.
like these reindeer.
I really like this one.
You really like that one too?
Yeah, let's get that. Let's get this tree. What do you think?
I like the furry tree. You don't like the furry one that you put on your head?
No.
No?
Well, that's Christmas tree.
That's the one for you?
Yep, this is the one I'm getting for you. I mean, for me.
Which one you like?
Hmm?
Which one you like? Ooh.
I'm a little elf. I'm a little elf. That's not the
Now
only.
we about to get into the decor for Christmas. Nate already has gotten started bringing in the tree. As y'all can see, we gotta fluff it out and get it right.
And look, I'm the strongest. I want to sing a song to them. Jingle bell, real quick.
Go.
Jingle bell, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Let's sing it all together, guys.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. We are about to get into decorating this tree. Hey, y'all just about to come on the ride. 12 days of Vlogmas. We getting it in. It's the threats, the set. Yeah!
Once we are done decorating, we're gonna film our Vlogmas intro, which y'all just saw. Let us know if y'all like it in the comments below. We got the classic Christmas playlist going. You updated it this year, or it's a classic?
Yeah, I updated it this year.
Okay.
Let's get into this tree decorating.
I'm going to show y'all what's over here. Santa over here, as y'all can see. And then the snowman. Super duper cute. About to get into some stuff. So, there's nothing else for y'all. And then we have these ornaments. Let's get to it.
Right.
Get into the video, guys. Get into some stuff. Get into the ornaments. As y'all can see, Merry Christmas!
Building it down in the front. Then we got our countdown going. While Dad is getting the lights together, we're gonna go ahead and get started on some Christmas cookies. Chocolate chip cookies, but they're gonna be Christmas cookies today. Alright, so we just finished putting the tree up, the decorations up. We are now prepping to film the intro. Look how cute our Santa girl is. The kids are getting sleepy, so we gotta speed this thing on up. You're silly. Dad is in the lab, getting it right. Whenever we film with the T5i in this lens,
Hey, let's show
the shots go crazy.
Let's show them the cookies.
Oh yes, and we got our cookies made. I already got a shot of that. It looks so good.
We have some snowman cookies for Christmas.
Got our cookies going. And what does the plate say? Do you know? Cookies for who?
Cookies for the dress.
Us too, but who else?
Santa?
Yes. Moments like this remind me that I need 2 tripods. But the second one we had broke, so we just making it do what it do on set right now, all right? This area came out so cute.
Am I wilding if I put these on? Come on. Where's the star?
It's right there.
So come on.
Okay, here.
Babe, you're like, it's like you're like a robot.
Wait, still?
Yes.
Okay.
Relax.
What am I supposed to do? I'm
Just be normal. Like don't act like we're recording, but don't look like you're recording.
Okay.
That's perfect because Eli looked at the TV too at the time I did pointed the remote. That's the scene right there.
Bet.
That's the scene.
It's a wrap dress.
Hey, it's bedtime.
I need some water. Thank you guys for watching our Christmas video. I hope y'all loved it.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
We'll see y'all in 2 days for Vlogmas episode 2. 12 days of Vlogmas. 1 day down. How many to go?
11. And make sure you subscribe to our channel and make sure you want to see you in the next video. I hope you see us in Christmas. One more thing. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.